ചെങ്ങാമാരെ ഞാൻ ETO. Today we are going to discuss about turning gear motor. Okay. The thing is, you might wonder, can a small 3-phase induction motor can really turn ship propeller shaft? Yes, it's possible. We have that equipment. Okay, let's see my ship turning gear motor, how it's look like. Okay. And here, one of the most important point I just want to highlight is, whenever you are operating turning gear motor, the main engine indicator cock must be fully open. Otherwise, what will happen? The motor will get overloaded and trip. And you know, it's not the motor that's doing the magic actually. It's the gear ratio. So we will go for the mathematical calculation. So we will understand together. Our motor, 2.2 kilowatt, RPM 1165 as per the motor nameplate. Okay, here the gear ratio 1000:1 for the easy calculation, and here taking the efficiency we are considering 70%, that means 0.7. This is motor driving end, this is the flywheel. So the motor will rotate 1165 RPM. Because of the bigger gear ratio, this will rotate very less speed. We can find out the RPM of the bigger flywheel by using the gear ratio. Just very simple, we will consider as n flywheel is equal to 1165 divided by gear ratio 1000, 1.165. So you can consider this is a 1, 0.16 you can neglect, so means 1 minute 1 rotation. And we will find out motor torque actually. Motor torque, T motor. The torque equation is power divided by angular velocity, and the power is always, 2.2 kilowatt, 2.2 into 10 raised to 3 divided by omega always 2 pi n motor by 60. So 2 into 3.14 multiplied with 1165, 60 is going here. So this value is 18.03 Newton meter. And second thing is, we are going to find out flywheel, the torque, motor torque into efficiency multiplied with 1000. This is gear ratio. So 18.03 into efficiency is this one, 0.7 into 1000 to 12.6 kilonewton meter. So here you can see the motor torque is only 18.03, but because of the gear ratio it is converting to here 12.6 kilonewton. It's more than enough to rotate our flywheel. So the concept is gear ratio. It's not because of the motor, this is because of the gear ratio. Okay, thank you.